Ilang dayuhan ang nakakagamit umano ng Philippine passport ayon sa Bureau of Immigration. Problemado naman ang Justice Department sa mga nahuhuling empleyado ng mga illegal na pogo. Nakatutok si Mav Gonzalez.
Sa Rami, wala na raw mapaglagyan ang Department of Justice sa mga naarestong tauhan ng mga iligal na Philippine Offshore Gaming Operator o POGO. Yan daw ang dahilan kung bakit hindi nila mahabol ang lahat ng mga iligal na POGO ayon kay Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla sa pagdinig ng Senado sa budget ng DOJ.
When we arrested 900 people in Pampanga, it was a nightmare. And it was also a nightmare when we arrested the same number of people in Las Piñas, and around 500 of them in Pasay. And we had to go through a logistical nightmare trying to feed them on a daily basis. That's the reason why we cannot start arresting anybody. We do not have the place to confine them properly in a humanitarian manner.
Lalo pa raw naiipon ang mga nakakulong na foreigner dahil sa tinatawag na demand-dummy system kung saan nagbabayad ang foreign nationals sa mga abogado para sampahan sila ng kaso. Para raw ito manatili sila sa Pilipinas at hindi ma-deport. Dahil sa ilalim ng batas, hindi nagde-deport ang gobyerno kapag may nakabimbing kaso.
Narata po namin, minsan kalahati po na nandun nakakulong, may kaso na sila po nagpapafile para hindi sila umalis.
Pinuna rin ni Remulla ang Chinese Embassy sa Pilipinas.
They take their sweet time, sir. They're not very cooperative in immediately securing their persons to be able to go back to China. So it's really the hesitance of the Chinese government to be of great help to be of real help to us. I think that itself is the problem.
How many ang confirmed mo natin na Chinese national that the PROC government is taking its sweet time in issuing travel documents for these people?
We have already confirmed all their identities. But we still need to deport about 400 of them since we are waiting for the travel documents to be issued by the Chinese government.
Yung 400 na yan, tayo nagpapakain.
Yes, Your Honor, and they are in the custody of the Philippine National Police.
Isa pang modus ang paggamit ng mga foreign national ng Philippine passport.
This year alone, we already intercepted about 10 genuine Philippine passport but fake na tao, fake na Pilipino.
Fake Filipino.
Yes.
So, what was the giveaway? Pagka in-interview nyo, di marunong magtagalog?
Hindi marunong magtagalog.
Opo.
Then yung itsura. Usually, the answer is binigay na lang sa kanila.
This is not only an immigration or foreign affairs issue. This is a national security issue already.
Agree.
Nasa kustodiya na ng Bureau of Immigration ang mga ito at nahaharap sa deportation. Iniimbestigahan na rin daw ng Department of Foreign Affairs kung paano sila naisyuhan ng Philippine passport. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mav Gonzalez, nakatutok, 24 oras.
Mga kapuso, samahan nyo kaming tumutok 24 oras. Bisitahin at mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.